When you live in West Colombia, you're no stranger to the threat of hurricanes and severe storms. These powerful weather events can cause extensive damage to homes, especially when doors and windows aren't built to withstand high winds and flying debris. One of the best ways to protect your home and your loved ones during hurricane season is by investing in hurricane-resistant doors. In this article, we'll explore why hurricane-resistant doors are a must-have for West Colombia homes, and how they can offer protection, peace of mind, and long-term value to your property. Protection against high winds and debris. Hurricanes bring intense winds that can exceed speeds of 100 miles per hour, making it essential for homeowners to have doors that can stand up to these forces. Regular doors, especially wooden doors or standard steel doors, can easily be damaged or torn off their frames during a hurricane. Flying debris is another major concern, as it can break through weak doors, allowing wind, rain, and debris to enter your home. Hurricane-resistant doors are specifically designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. They are made with strong, reinforced materials that are capable of handling high-pressure winds and resisting impact from flying debris. These doors feature impact-resistant glass, stronger frames, and specialized locking mechanisms that prevent break-ins or damage. By installing these doors, you're not just protecting your home from wind but also from water and debris that could otherwise cause costly damage to the interior of your home. Increased home security. When a hurricane strikes, the last thing you want to worry about is your home's security. Unfortunately, in high winds and storms, regular doors can be easily compromised. This leaves your home vulnerable to intruders and increases the risk of property damage. Hurricane-resistant doors are built to offer more than just storm protection, they also enhance security. These doors are constructed with multi-point locking systems and reinforced frames that make them more difficult for burglars or intruders to breach. Whether you're facing a hurricane or a potential break-in, these doors offer superior protection, ensuring your home remains secure under any circumstances. Energy efficiency and storm protection. Beyond wind protection, hurricane-resistant doors also provide a level of energy efficiency that can improve your home's overall comfort and reduce utility costs. During a hurricane, when the power goes out, many homeowners rely on their windows and doors to help keep the indoor temperature regulated. High-quality hurricane-resistant doors come with insulated cores and weather stripping, which help prevent drafts and heat transfer. This insulation keeps your home cooler during hot months and warmer in the winter, reducing your reliance on air conditioning and heating systems. The added benefit of better insulation ensures that, even during the storm, your home stays comfortable while lowering your energy bills year-round. Durability and longevity. Investing in a hurricane-resistant door isn't just about getting through one storm. It's about protecting your home for years to come. These doors are built to last, made with high-quality materials designed to withstand not only hurricane-force winds but also everyday wear and tear. Whether it's exposure to harsh sunlight, rain, or the salty air common in coastal areas, hurricane-resistant doors are designed to maintain their strength and appearance over time. Hurricane-resistant doors are also low maintenance, requiring less upkeep compared to traditional doors. Many options are built with fiberglass or steel, materials that resist rot, warping, or corrosion and need only occasional cleaning to maintain their appearance. With proper installation and care, these doors will last for decades, offering lasting protection and value for your home. Enhanced curb appeal. While functionality is key, hurricane-resistant doors are also available in a variety of styles and designs to match your home's aesthetic. Many manufacturers offer options that combine strength with beauty, so you don't have to sacrifice curb appeal for protection. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden look, modern fiberglass designs, or stylish glass doors, hurricane-resistant doors are available in multiple finishes and materials to suit your home's architecture. These doors not only protect your home but also enhance its overall curb appeal, giving it a sophisticated and polished look that increases its visual appeal and value. Whether you live in a modern home or a traditional style house, hurricane-resistant doors can complement your design while adding an extra layer of security and comfort. Peace of mind. Ultimately, the most significant benefit of installing hurricane-resistant doors in your West Columbia home is the peace of mind they provide. Living in an area that is susceptible to hurricanes can be stressful, especially when a major storm is heading your way. Knowing that your home is equipped with highly durable, impact-resistant doors helps you feel secure and prepared, no matter the severity of the storm. With hurricane-resistant doors, you don't have to worry about damage, loss of property, or the safety of your family members. They are a crucial investment in your home's protection, offering peace of mind year-round. Conclusion: why hurricane-resistant doors are essential for West Columbia homes. Living in West Columbia, a region prone to hurricanes and severe storms, requires making smart choices to protect your home and your loved ones. Hurricane-resistant doors are a must-have upgrade, offering unparalleled protection against high winds, flying debris, and water damage. These doors also improve security, increase energy efficiency, and enhance your home's curb appeal, all while providing long-lasting durability. By investing in hurricane-resistant doors, you're ensuring that your home is not only secure and comfortable but also ready to face whatever the weather may bring. Protect your home and enjoy peace of mind during storm season by upgrading to hurricane-resistant doors today.